Let's see what's leading and tailing. And I'll tell you what cars is on here. Alright, so we got 112 leading. Right there. 203 and 216. And it's train 19 tailing. Woo! Check this out, everyone. Let me walk up here so that way I can show you guys the train up at a closer shot. And I don't see Union Pacific quite yet, but I know there's one coming. It's either going to be a southbound Union Pacific or a northbound UP. So here it is. Here's FrontRunner, boys, for a very short time. As you can see, this one's built in Boise, Idaho. And it's an FE36 PH. Let's watch it go. Woo! That was loud. So let's watch the train go, guys. Alright. Heard the air hiss. And up it goes. Woo! So yeah. Now we just wait for Union Pacific. Alright. See, I'm not sure when Union Pacific is going to be here. Freeze through takeoff. Here goes FrontRunner, boys. Woo! Smoke show!
A few moments later.
Until it gets closer. Okay, so as I can see, this one's a GEVO leader. I think this one might be a C45 ACCTE. Alright. So it's getting closer. Let's see what kind of locomotive this is. Okay, so this one's a GEVO leader. C45 ACCTE. Yeah. Alright, and he's leading a manifest. Alright. Blow it! Come on, do it! Woo! It's a... Woo! 8092 with a K582! And that's a C... Woo! Woo! It's a K582, everyone! And this one's a 200 up front, leading a manifest. Alright. So it's a little bit of tankers on this one. Now we got some autoracks for the most part. Woo! He's rolling! Woo! It's a K582 on this train, everyone! KCS! There's plenty of autoracks on this one. Check this out, everyone! Alright. Oh, this was actually rather short. And this looks to be a 2x0. Southbound autorack. On the Clearfield subdivision, here's northbound FrontRunner. On the Clearfield subdivision, on State Street. We got 6 leadings! Alright. So we got northbound FrontRunner here. So this was a 2x0. Southbound. Autorack on Clearfield subdivision. Clearfield, Utah. Clearfield FrontRunner station. on State Street. Alright guys, so that's gonna do it. So, thanks for watching.